Good morning. This is the continuation of the previous video class, that is creating tables. So in this video, I'll explain how the cells that spans to many columns and many rows. So first one here is cell that spans many columns. To make a cell spans more than one column, we have to use the attribute within the er or th tags. So that is column span. So column span, so it is explain open red like is column span. So it is COLSPAN, call span ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So it is supported both in TR and TH, that is table row and table heading tags. Syntax here is like this: TR or TD call span equals to ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲಿ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, another row. Example here is th equals call span equals 2. That means it expands to 2 rows. 2 rows ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದೇ ರೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ cell text, then end of the th tag or tr tag. Example illiದೆ. Observe the code carefully. Table starts here, ends here, and this is the row, and row contains only 2 cells. That is also header. One is name, next one is telephone, and the second cell spanned into 2 columns. It spans into 2 columns that is specified by like this. So first row contains only 2 cells, but one cell spanned into additional column. Other rows contains 3 cells. Other rows contains 3 cells. Same is applied to next also. Observe that even though the first row contains only 2 cells, since the second cell is spanned into 2 columns, the area covered by the first row is same as other rows. So when I open the code in a browser, I will get the display like this. Then you will understand it much better. Here is table row heading, and the second cell spanned into 2 columns, and these are the normal rows. That is row containing 3 cells, whereas this is row containing only 2 cells. We can make any cell to multiple columns provided number of columns spanned does not cross the maximum number of columns in a table. So this is for spanning into multiple columns. Likewise, a cell may span into many rows. So for example, here is if a cell is to be spanned into multiple rows, then I will go for the attribute row span attribute. And likewise for column span, here also tr and th tags also supports row span attribute. Syntax is same. Okay, here is I made a mistake. it must be columns row span. Okay, now it is correct. So here also number of columns, not columns, it is rows. Okay, now it's correct. So syntax is like this: td or th row span equals number of rows, cell data, end of the cell. So example here is example correct ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. td equals row span equals number of columns, and so here is in the example code. Observe here, a cell is made as row span up to 2 rows. When I open the code in a browser, it will display like this. Observe that it's a normal row, whereas here cell is spanned into 2 rows. Spanned into 2 rows. This is advanced usage of table cells, and many of the times we have to follow this spanning of the cells into multiple rows and multiple columns. Go and practice this information in your systems and improve the skill of web page development. Here it completes your video tutorial on HTML tables. Thank you. Just a minute, I not demonstrated the code, I'll just show it. So here is the code that spans into multiple columns. When I open this file in a browser, so this is the file stored as a webpage 09b. I'll open the code file in the browser. Okay. Here the cell spanned into multiple columns. If you go to the view page source, you will get the same code that has been displayed in the editor window. Same here. And the next one here is rows spanning into multiple, cell spanning into multiple rows. Say the row span equals to 2. I will display the file in the browser. So this is the browser display. And if I go to the page source, I will get the same output. That's the same source code. Okay, it completes information a video tutorial about the using table rows table tag with spanning of cells. Thank you.